What up? Welcome back to Chronic Eats. We're doing something today I haven't done in a long time. I've only done it one other time. It's a tuna noodle casserole. It's actually tuna and crab casserole. I'm gonna do one small can of tuna and one small can of crab. Found a deal on the crab, so why the fuck not, right? So, in this pot, we got onions. I did onions with butter, sauteed that for a minute. Then I put about a teaspoon or a tablespoon of flour in there, and then I slowly putting some half and half in. I got some milk too. Just trying to use what we got and get rid of it, you know. So far, that's what we got. And then over here we got noodles all ready to go, al dente. Package said 5 to 6 minutes. I did it at 4 because it's going in the oven. It's gonna cook more. So yeah, got some green onions going in there too. Here's the can of tuna. Came upside down like that. I don't know. Don't blame me for that shit. Leave a comment though. That'd be funny. And then dump it in the pot and break it up a little bit. I'm gonna do the same with the crab right now. This is the crab we got, the good stuff, or at least where I was, it was top notch out of what else they had. I dumped a can of crab meat in there. It was nice and shredded. I tried it as well. It was really good. Put some peas in there too. Here's the peas we're using, Trader Joe's organic. Putting some cheese in there as well. Got the shredded. I got more if this runs out. Yeah. Nice and thick. Yeah. So my mom used to make this a lot when I was a kid. Like I said, I've only made it once for myself. That was like 5 or 6 years ago or so. I don't know exactly. But yeah, anyway, we are doing it. We are coming together right now. Look at this shit. Yeah, nice. And I just added some more cheese. Thicken this up a little more. That's what it's looking like. Getting there. Watch what happens, guys. Stay till the end of this video to find out. Okay, just put the noodles in there. I put some pepper and some smoked paprika on there, and some garlic, crushed garlic in there as well. See right there? Yeah, now get to mixing. Okay, looking pretty money already, but we're gonna bake this actually. I think I mentioned that ahead of time. That's why I cooked the noodles al dente. Couple dashes of oregano and some garlic salt as well. I thought I had breadcrumbs in the cabinet, like Progresso or whatever, but nope. So I took this heel, which was the only piece of bread we actually have here left. Nobody here likes the heel. So I'm on it every time. Who cares? It's still bread, right? Like, why are you gonna hate the fucking heel? Nothing wrong with it. It's bread. I don't get it, man. I used to act like that when I was younger, but now I'm questioning the reality of people. It's just fucking bread. It's the same shit. So anyway, just cut it up. I'm gonna mix it in with butter and then put it over the top of this casserole. And there we go. That chopped up heel in there with some butter. If you guys don't like the heel, leave a comment and tell me why. Silly fuckers. I seasoned that breadcrumb butter mixture with this stuff too. So there it is in our dish. Looking all fucking wonderful, right? Put some of that cheese on there. I'm gonna hook up the breadcrumb mixture, butter mixture, and put that on here and put more cheese on top of that too. Okay, breadcrumbs on there as well. And some more cheese on top. Now I'm going to put it in the oven about 375. Let's say 25 minutes. Alright? And there we go, mother truckers. Check it out. Fucking looking awesome. Look at that. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna try this out. Friggin' delicious, you guys. Unbelievable. I'm proud of myself on this one. But I am on most everything. I just haven't made this in a while. It's fucking awesome, you guys. Got some cornbread over here too. This is out of a package. It's like 99 cents. Had it for a few days. Just cracked it open today. But yeah, so money, you guys. Do this at home. Don't be afraid. It's so easy. Well, not that easy, but it was fairly easy. Just follow my instructions, and you'll fucking have this shit on your plate right in front of you in no time. Delicious, guys. Alright, thanks for coming back, guys. I love you. Please smash that like button. Leave a comment. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And please watch one of these next videos on the screen. I'm out, you guys. Have a good night. Peace. Peace, peace, peace. Yeah.